Hello everybody, so welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to import Excel file into MySQL. So if you have the Excel file data something like this, in this one I have a 3 column, which is the metric, quiz 1, quiz 2 and assignment, and I have the simple data like this, and then I want to import it to MySQL. So what you need to do is that first of all you have to save this file to a CSV file, which is a comma separated value file. So let's go to file, save as, and then choose a folder. So let's say this one I want it to become student mark CSV. Okay, so and then I choose the CSV for MS-DOS, this one, and then I click save into my folder. So later on I'm going to have a pop-up menu like this, so some of features in the workbook might be lost, something like that. So you don't have to worry, because by the way you want to convert it, just click the button yes to change the format. Okay, now everything should be okay. Next, you can close your Excel at this moment. Okay, so then you have to find your file, which is this one. Okay, so this is the file. Now this time I want you to open the file by using Notepad. Okay, just right click, choose open with Notepad, this one. Okay, so once you open the file in Notepad, it should look something like this. So what I want you to do is I want you to delete the first row. Okay, because if you import this row, you want to include the first row, then the data will appear inside MySQL. So you can click save, this one, and you can close your Notepad. And then what you need to do is that you have to open XAMPP, control panel XAMPP. Okay, you make sure that you start the Apache and MySQL service, and then for the MySQL you can click admin. You're going to get your PHP MyAdmin, and then you have to create a new database to import your Excel CSV, this one. Okay, create a new database. Let's say you name database as my new data and click create. Next, you have to insert a new table to your database. Let's say this one I name it as a student mark, and student mark, if you look at Excel and Notepad previously, you have 4 columns. Just click 4 columns. Okay, and then click go. Next, you have to insert the column for your table. So the first column will be metric, second column will be quiz 1, third column will be quiz 2, and the last one should be assignment. And then you have to change the type. For metric number, you can change to varchar. Meanwhile, for the quiz 1, quiz 2 and assignment, I want to make it to become int or integer. So the metric number should be 6 column, 6 length, 6 value, sorry. So the quiz should be 2, 2, and assignment should be 3, because I want my assignment to be per 100. So check it out again, everything should be okay, and then click the save button. Now you have create a new table, okay, which is student mark in your new database, which is my new data. Next, you have to import your data from Excel into MySQL. Click the import button. So you are going to have something like this. Next, you have to choose this one, the choose file button. Go to your folder. So in this case, this is my data, which is studmark CSV. I just click open. Okay, so MySQL will select studmark underscore csv.csv for me. Okay, so everything should look fine. Then click the button go. Okay, so there's no warning, and you can see the SQL statement over here. Okay, should be okay. Next, if you want to check whether the data is import or not into MySQL, so you can click the studmark table. There you go. So you see all the data is here. Okay, so this is the metric number, quiz 1, quiz 2, and assignment. So I have successfully import the Excel file into my SQL database. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you again next time.